I found one pallet particularly interesting. This one here. It's held together with screws and nails. And the wood grain is rather interesting. It's a dense wood. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but I have a feeling it's one of those rare finds that I have every once in a while. Some exotic species, or maybe not so exotic, but definitely different than your normal oak, pine, red oak, white oak, poplar that you normally find in these pallets. If anybody knows what this is, let me know. Is it mahogany? Pretty wild.